José Barillas.
Yes,
Gracias, señor consul, por estar acá. Let's welcome him with a round of applause.
Very busy man, took time on this quiet Sunday to be here and grace us with his presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you for coming through.
Gracias por estar con nosotros. Sabemos que tiene una agenda muy apretada, pero gracias por estar con nosotros.
Buenas tardes a todos, hermanos Garifunas. Es para mí un placer estar acá con ustedes compartiendo del tercer Festival Garifuna y Extravaganza de la comida en Los Ángeles. En Guatemala tenemos nuestra pequeña comunidad garífuna en el departamento de Izabal, especialmente en la ciudad de Livingston. La comunidad garífuna, como todos sabemos, es una comunidad muy pequeña alrededor del mundo. Alrededor de 300,000 personas son parte de la comunidad garífuna, viviendo la mayoría acá en Estados Unidos y en Canadá, pero también en los países centroamericanos de Honduras, Guatemala, Belice y Nicaragua. Es una comunidad que se formó desde 1635, me parece, cuando personas, los esclavos de África, llegaron a la isla de San Vicente. Se mezclaron con los nativos y entonces surgió la comunidad garífuna. Es para nosotros un gran honor, como les mencioné, tener una buena parte de esa comunidad en Guatemala, disfrutar de sus tradiciones, disfrutar de su comida, disfrutar de su cultura. La cultura y la comida garífuna fueron declaradas Patrimonio de la Humanidad en el año 2001 por UNESCO y ratificado en 2003 en la convención que realizaron en la primera convención de garífunas a nivel mundial que realizaron en Nicaragua. Así que un gran saludo a todos. Gracias por la invitación y que disfruten esta tarde. Gracias.
I got it. We got the cone splitters right here. We got the planted.
out to the universe, because we definitely, as a Garifuna nation, as big as we are, as many as we are, at some point, I think we will have a Garifuna president. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that I'm looking at him already. He's smiling, and he's probably thinking, okay, how is this gonna happen? But I know it's gonna happen, because guess what? As a Garifuna nation, even if you're not Garifuna, you are gonna come out and support Mr. Martinez, and you're gonna give him your vote. And guess what? We'll take him to the next level, and the next level after that, and the next level after that. So please help me welcome Shiny Martinez.
Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be president, but I would definitely make a better president than the guy in the White House right now. And if you don't kick him out, we need to kick him out as soon as possible. You know, the main thing I'm running on is climate justice and civil rights. And I want to fight for all of the people in our communities, right? I want to fight for all the African Americans, the Latinos, the Garifuna people, all the people around the world, right? And the main thing is that we need to get into these office in order to start fighting for real things, like free public transportation, right? Like kicking ICE out of LA and stopping the immigration of all of our people, right? Yeah. So, you know, I was in Belize I was just in St. Bite just in July. And my Uncle Bob was walking me house to house, and I tell you, almost every other house, oh yeah, he got deported from the United States. Oh yeah, he got deported from the United States. Oh yeah, he got deported from the United States, right? And mainly, they're using deportations as a method of criminalization. So please come, we're here at the second table to come check out our campaign. The main important thing to come check out is if you live in the 10th district, I need to collect 500 to 1,000 signatures from people that are voting in the 10th district. And if I don't collect those, I do not get on the ballot. So if you live in the 10th district, come see me, come sign my petition, and then come support. The 10th district is down from Vernon all the way up to Olympic, from Robertson Boulevard all the way to Western Boulevard. And we have a map there if you want to come look if you're unsure. Thank you guys.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we have cultural performers, we have the Wanadagua, and we have the food. So anything, since, you know, I would love to be in Belize on Tuesday for the celebration on the 19th, but my reality is that I'm here in LA, so guess what? All of those Saturdays, como le decimos en Honduras, who actually help with the talent, right? To make us look beautiful. It takes a lot of work.
Buenas tardes a todos. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon.
All right, let's hear it. Ano ang may hamon yung sungay na kuhayabaya? Hagaya! Harichuchu! Hacha!
Ome po ligunta. Lo niebe. Onda na po humar mga yule. Lina. Onda na po garina po Belize. Nugia Garifuna Induran. Isang samina apa sung garina po aquí. Tanto Honduran ay mabalisin. Usted tendría como nasanda ulano waya kay nagali ngatina. Kay hama na rasungan ibu, hama nito hanyo, hama nu familia. Anahaya representare Wagaria Honduras. ya betinaria gai ho sandi wana nungo puitu haga garina ko balisina no vale apa garina ko sumbo dia digeneti mundatna jangan rabayule rabawayule wabina hati lida aba nugiate na fetu hage homa magoli hon sungu bai wait rabawayule.
Thank you, Mr. Pedro Norales here representing us from Honduras. If you need anything legally done, paperwork taken care of, this is the man you go to. So we thank him for taking, time out of his busy Sunday to be here and to represent us as Garifuna, as Honduranian. And yes, we do appreciate him.
We also have the representative, the consul of St. Vincent and Grenadines, our motherland. So I'd like to call to the stage Mr. Barillas Trennert.
Hip, hip, hip! You need to get some life, man. Hip, hip, hip! Hip, hip, hip! Great! This is a time when we get together to celebrate history. This is a time that I am excited about to be in Los Angeles to see my sisters and brothers from my heritage land of St. Vincent and Grenadines, which I'm very proud of, the Garifuna movement here in Los Angeles. I oppose you, man. This is a culture. This is a history that has been made. And we must take this history from generation to generation and your grandchildren generation, because you fought for a battle and you won it. So hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! And next year, I am going to get involved and we're going to make this a huge, excited festival of bringing Garifuna and the people of Los Angeles together. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Brother Brian. He said it all. I don't even have anything else to say. So you know what? The message right now, let's bring up that energy. Let's see the energy. Where are the Garifuna people here today? I want to hear it louder. All right. At this point, our Guanada was getting ready. In the meantime,